If you've been scrolling through your phone and trying to figure out a way in which you would increase your number of views and why your views are not increasing, and which way you can actually better improve your views on this YouTube platform, you're in the right space. Hi, my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fantastic because I'm doing awesome. It's been a while, but guess what? We are back to So in today's video, we're going to be discussing a method in which you could increase your video views. Just as myself, I'm a new YouTuber. I've not been on the YouTube streets for a long time, but based on my experience, so this is just a little disclaimer, based on my experience is what I'm sharing with you guys, and definitely this does work for you guys. So this particular video that I'm putting up here actually got the most views on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to check it out. You guys can go check it out after this video. But that video did really well. Why? Because then I noticed that I implicated and I implied some strategies, what I say, on this particular video as well as on my channel. So I hope that this does work for you guys. So let's get straight into this video. So basically, first and foremost, a lot of people make the mistake whereby they just upload videos, with what I say, create videos and then upload it and then leave it there without actually having a stable idea or without actually implicating certain settings, how to, what I say, title your videos, etc. Which is really important because once you just upload your videos and put it out there with no strategy, with no method, it fails. Like a lot of my videos, so I'm just giving myself an example. So you don't want to do that. But then number one would definitely be is engagement. You want to be the type of person that when you are uploading videos, as well as when people within your niche. So what you want to do, because a lot of people say, but I'm not into this specific niche, or I'm not into that specific niche. So can I interact with anybody? No. What would be, there's no problem with interacting with just any creator, but what would be best is that if you go and search for your particular niche, let's say you're doing lifestyle, you could go to any lifestyle content creators particular channel, check their videos out, watch their videos, like their videos, comment down in their comment section, share their videos. That really shows YouTube that you're an active account, or would I say that your account is active and you do interact with people within your niche. That tells YouTube to push your videos out to a better audience because then they understand that you are pushing the same narrative, you know, in that sense. So you have to be able to engage. Engagement is really important on any social media platform. Whether you go on any other social media platform, it will be the same instruction, which is engagement. Remember, engagement is really important. Number two would definitely be, number two, hear me out. When I say number two would definitely be, hear me out. Okay. Okay. Number two would definitely be, do not share your links on platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Right? This is why. Because once you share your link on these other platforms and people are directly watching your videos immediately, this tells YouTube that you can self, right, promote your videos. This is for small creators. I don't mean for big creators, because then for big creators they have already established an audience, so they can actually work with this. Okay, they can get away with this. But as a small creator, you want to make sure that when you are sharing these links, you have to be careful. There's a method in which you use that, but that's for another day. Because once you do that, YouTube directly thinks that, okay, this person can start promote their videos, which doesn't give you a chance to be able to promote it out there. So that's when you see that your videos are stuck and they're not going out to the audience that you expected it to go out to, which is not the option that you want. I'm sure that the option that you want is for YouTube to promote your videos and nobody else. So do play safe around the method of sending out your videos to platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and then number Twitter. Three would definitely be consistent on YouTube. Be the person who posts. I know that consistent sounds like the worst thing, and especially coming from someone like me, it sounds like a scam. But trust me, it's not a scam. Do you know why? Even if it means that you're posting shorts, because if you go to my channel, even if I'm not posting a long form videos, I'm always ensuring that I'm posting shorts. Why? Because then my channel needs to stay active, not just for the sake of staying active, but to ensure that my subscribers are entertained and to ensure that I'm able to educate them as much as possible. Share anything that I know might benefit them, as well as ensure that my platform is running smooth. So you ensuring that you're always posting consistent, always ensuring that your platform is on a good stabilized stage, really assist your platform move from somewhere to even a better environment or better space. So that would definitely work. So stay consistent. Consistency could be once a week, consistency could be twice a week. Consistency means be consistent, and that's all that matters, because your consistency cannot be my consistency. Even if it's not through long form videos, shorts are there to make sure that you post those videos. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and see you guys in the next video.